I think this is a message for not only for India, but it's a message for the world. Same time when you do the Surya Puja, Surya means solar energy. What we are giving a message to the world. And next week he is going to Paris and then Washington. You see, this kind of message goes that how India is a very strong, very united country, and every religion, we respect every religion, because in Prayagraj, this is not only for Hindus. Number of millions and millions people in India, they are also Muslims, Buddhas, Christians, and that's why the Prime Minister, when he goes in such a way, and people are talking why this is today. Earlier also he went to Kedarnath. If we go to Kanyakumari, say election day, certainly when there is a free, there is no schedule in Delhi, and he planned to visit, it's not necessary that in election day he is always in Delhi. So these kind of politics, but unfortunately you see, I see in the same time, Kejriwal thought that maybe if I should also get the catch of the media. So same time when the Prime Minister Modi was taking trip in Sangam, same time he went through the polling booth. He could have on in the morning also. Sonia Gandhi also went. So these kind of politics, very petty politics, I think, because they want to disturb any religious person. They want to disturb the parliament. They want to, especially the Kejriwal. There is an allegation about it that he wants anarchy. He himself told us. If you remember, you can see, find his bite that, yeah, I am an anarchist. So he is real anarchist. He wants to disturb even the Ganga, Sangam, religious, like millions and millions of people out there, and he wants attention for his voting. People should vote for him. So this kind of politics is also going on. But I think the basic purpose is that after some incident there, the Baghdad and all, but even then Prime Minister went there, and today millions and millions were also watching there. Nobody was disturbed. They were also on the other ghat. They were also bathing. So I think this give a message that how we can manage. India is capable to manage themselves. The people are also disciplined. They also want to see the Prime Minister. They also want to bath in Ganga, Sangam, and at the same time we also want to strengthen the democracy. This is the message what the Prime Minister, I think, why he planned this way. I think this is because at the time he wanted to go maybe on Vasant Panchami, on Sunday or Monday also he could have planned. But no, he thought that after the Vasant Panchami he will go. So he will not disturb the crowd at the time.
Yeah,
so
because there were a lot of brickbats that had been, the BJP, Yogi Adityanath, the central government had been the target of just very recently because of the stampede that took place that led to the death of many people, and they were targeting the BJP, the state government, saying that why are VIPs being allowed to enter Mahakumbh, which is hugely inconveniencing the masses, the local devotees, the people that have come from all across the world to take the holy trip, to offer their prayers, because there is cordoning off that takes place. There are huge number of SPGs that are present, the guards that are present, security that has to be provided to these VIPs, which then inconveniences the locals, the masses to a large extent, because at the end of the day Prayagraj is a very small area, and there are as of now 38 crore people who have arrived at Prayagraj at some time or the other in the past several weeks and taken the holy dip until now.
I think what you are talking about, because there is no disturbance. That's why I mentioned earlier, maybe because of the bureaucrats, a number of people were going. They're not because of the VIP arrangement, but millions and millions of people. You remember, since 1954, after the independence, in Kumbh Mela, earlier also there was an incident of this kind of crowd, and then some disturbance, some death also. Very unfortunate. There was so much law and order problem is also there, but I feel, and everybody feel very bad what happened, and recently also no incident should take place. But I think today, when Prime Minister went there, all the security, but he went from the other route by boat, not disturbing to anybody where the people are crowded there. So I think nobody can compare him. I can say at a local level, I know that even the MPs and MLAs or the bureaucrats, when they go, they never bother the public and they create a problem too. But the incident which took place at after midnight, must be because I still feel there was some mismanaged by the bureaucrats, the police officials. They were not imagined that how much people will be there and how they should control it. They were not trained. But ultimately, Prime Minister was also monitoring from Delhi, and he supported by the special forces there, and they monitored and they controlled in very few hours. Everything was normal. So I think this kind of monitoring is also necessary, and precaution. The bureaucrats, I think they should have sacked few people in police and other officials, at least, because people are alleging about Yogi Adityanath because he was also monitoring. He said he was monitoring, but you see next day on Vasant Panchami, he was monitoring from his room in Lucknow itself. So I think they should have taken more precaution, because it always give a bad name to the administration. And there is a nice judicial inquiry is there. But inquiry, these kind of, everybody knows that you can't get any result, and afterwards you can just say sorry about it. People died, people are still in the hospital. So I think this was a very unfortunate incident, and the administration failed some extent, the local administration, and even the instructions were not proper. So we can't say that everything was good. But opposition taking advantage of it, I think the Akhilesh ji and other Congress people also, they should have supported, they should have given some suggestions before that. I think the assembly was also there. Otherwise also, if Rahul Gandhi as a member of parliament, or Priyanka Gandhi, or Sonia Gandhi, or Akhilesh Yadav, or Lalu Yadav, if they write something to the Prime Minister or to write to Chief Minister, certainly they will also look after their suggestions. But I think they just wanted and see that if something mishappened, then they will cry and blame the Yogi Adityanath or the system or the government. So I think here we need political unanimity for the people. The democracy in parliament also, we see how much they take disturbance and all. So I think both systems, either at Sangam or in parliament, what we see, the politics is very unfortunate nowadays, and it gives the wrong message. But other way, Prime Minister Narendra Modi always agenda is development and the image of the India, and for 2047, he is targeting, want to strengthen the unity, want development, and want progress
for
the people, awareness.
Okay, all right. Coming back to you, Shekhar Vijayan. Again, the